and today we will show you a new place, Mukteshwar.
We started our journey from Nainital and today our destination is Mukteshwar. But on our way, we will see some of the beautiful places of Kumaon. Our first destination is Golu Devi Temple, or famously known as the Unique Bell Temple. In this temple, everywhere you will find bells. According to Hindus, this temple is very famous. People generally tie bells if any of their wishes are fulfilled. Starting from the pillars, gates, and everywhere, you will find thousands of bells. Every day, huge number of devotees come here for the fulfill of their wishes. The scenic beauty is also mesmerizing from this place.
Our next destination is Gorakhal Tea Garden and Tea Factory. On the way to Mukteshwar, you will find this tea garden, and if you are a tea lover, then you can visit this place. Over here, you can also buy organic tea.
The place is very picturesque, so please do spend some beautiful time here and enjoy the beautiful tea garden.
After visiting Gorakhal Tea Garden, we proceeded towards Mukteshwar.
Mukteshwar is a beautiful tourist destination which is located in Kumaon Hills at an altitude of 2171 meter, and it is 51 kilometers from Nainital. The famous author and hunter Jim Corbett visited Mukteshwar, and it was always one of his favorite places.
In this tour, we decided to stay in KMVN Tourist Lodge. It is one of the best places to stay in Mukteshwar.
Let us give you a small hotel and room tour. We came during off-season and the tariff we paid is little more than 3000 rupees, and it includes both breakfast and dinner. Let us show you the room where we stayed. The room is quite beautiful and spacious with all the modern amenities.
The best part of this room is the balcony. From here, you can get a mesmerizing view of Mukteshwar.
At present, we are walking on the street of Mukteshwar. It is really very beautiful. We just came out from the KMVN Tourist Lodge, and my suggestion is that if you want to get the real flavor of this particular place, you should go for a walk and don't go by our outfits, because we are just wearing some summer dresses, but it is really cold at night. Here the temperature is little hotter, but during the time of November to February it is very cold. And another information I just want to give you, that is during the time of February huge snowfall happens. It's better to choose the month of November or December for Mukteshwar. After a half a kilometer walk from KMVN tourist lodge, we came to the Mukteshwar temple. One have to climb some stairs to reach to the final temple of Shiva and Durga. One can get the panoramic view of Mukteshwar from the temple. We just now came out from the temple of Mukteshwar, the Mukteshwar Mahadev temple, and with that Durga temple is also there. It is very beautiful. You can worship there. It is a very holy temple for the Hindus, and now we are just loitering on the roads of Mukteshwar, and we are just enjoying the walk here through the woods. And those who are coming here, you just come here, enjoy your time, have a great time, great fun. If you love peace and silence, Mukteshwar will be a perfect destination for you. Enjoy the lush green nature and the beautiful Himalaya. It is a beautiful evening time here in Mukteshwar, and we just came out to have some tea here. The weather is now a little chilly, so we wore some sweaters and woolens. And there are many shops where you can have some snacks or tea. In the hotel also it is available, but we just choose today to come out and enjoy the Mukteshwar. Last but not the least, we don't want to miss the one of the most attractions of Mukteshwar, and that is the sunset. And as you enjoy the sunset of Mukteshwar, we want to end our vlog here. Please do subscribe our channel. Hope you have enjoyed. Soon we are coming up with new vlogs. Till then, thank you and have a nice time.